Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix ArcRider's crash report handler error on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to completely close any antivirus if you're using. So if I go to system tree, as you can see here, I have a Malwarebytes. So I will completely close it first. Quit Malwarebytes and then wait until it's done. Next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to ArcRiders, right click on it, go to properties, install files, browse. You will find easy anti-cheat folder, right click on it and delete it from your game directory. Then you need to go to program files x86 and then here you should see easy anti-cheat. So as you can see here, easy anti-cheat. Also delete this particular folder as well. Next step, what you need to do here, you need to completely close Steam and then open Steam as admin. Make sure to open as admin. Then go back to ArcRiders, go to properties, go to install files and verify integrity of the game files. And after it's done, you need to again completely close Steam and open as admin and then launch the game and your problem should be fixed. If it's not working, then what I just suggested to do here is to completely delete or uninstall the game, install it and fresh install it again and repeat the same process that I showed you here and your issue should be solved. So yeah, that's basically it, and if I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.